Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your account on the Boom Beach application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen and you can find different buttons. Now if you want to delete your account, just click to the circle icon at the upper left corner of the screen and click to the third option, the settings. And here in the settings section you can find different options, for example the sounds, the help, the credit and the others. Now if you want to delete your account, you can find the last option, the delete your account button. And if you want to delete, just click to the red button. But actually I don't want to delete that game because I think that's good. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.